happy birthday! Happy birthday, Melanie. Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come and more happiness and blessings. Good health always. I miss you. Happy birthday, Dai.
Happy birthday, my friend Melanie. God bless you.
Hi Melanie, happy birthday be. Wish ko sa'yo sana maging healthy ka lagi and matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Miss ka na namin. I love you and God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Melanie. May God bless you.
Hi Beshi, happy birthday. God bless you always and more birthdays to come. Love you, I miss you. See you soon.
Happy birthday to you, my friend, Stephanie Sakura. God bless you.
Hi, Daimel! Happy birthday and God bless. Ingat ka dyan palagi. See you soon and love you!
Konnichiwa, Melanie. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day and see you soon. Bye.
Hello to my pretty sister-in-law. Happy birthday to you. And I hope God will bless you today. And stay kind, healthy. And I hope you're happy right now. Ingat ka palagi dyan. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Melanie. Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Melanie.
Hi, Dai! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! See you soon! Amping diya.
Hi, Dai! Happy birthday! Amping dira sa imuhang dream country. Enjoy your day! See you soon! Mwah!
Hi, Te. Happy birthday. Ingat ka dyan parate. Miss you. Balikan dito sa Bahrain.
Hi, Dai, Melanie. Happy birthday. I miss you, Dai. Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Amping dira per me and see you soon. Mabuhay ka hanggat kailan mo gusto. Mwah! I love you, Dai.
Happy birthday, Mel. Enjoy your day. And more blessings to come. And sana maabot mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday.